Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, we have to open our contact list and find, of course, the contact we'd like to customize. Let's tap on it and pick this edit icon at the bottom. Now let's tap on this profile picture in the circle, and as you can see, your device gives you the opportunity to either take a photo and then it will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it and simply tap on the photo you'd like to use. Now let's tap on this confirmation mark, and as you can see right here, we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So if you're ready, if you're happy with your choice, just tap on this tick icon, and as you can see, the photo will immediately appear in the circle. So let's confirm it again. And here we've got our contact with the photo saved. You will be able to see it on the contact list, or for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.